is time for another video! I have what I think is an awesome haul for y'all today. Some of the things are too big for me to have in the background with the bag, so I've got them to the side, but you'll see once I get into those. But first, I'm just gonna show you what I got in the bag, and then we'll do the bigger thing. So I'm gonna do what I always do, move the bag out of the way, and then just pull from it, show you what I got, and get on into it. Okay, first what I'm gonna do is show you the bigger things. I changed my mind, but you know, it's okay. First, I got this roller chick. I have wanted her for so long because I saw her on Jay's channel. Hi, Jay. And she's got so much pink and everything, and I just waited and waited and waited for her to go on sale because I really can't afford the full price to get the dolls, but I ended up getting her for Christmas, like an early Christmas, so I'm so happy. So here's my roller girl, and I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys, I promise, but I'm gonna set her like out of frame because it's just gonna, see, it's gonna take up my whole background, so I don't wanna do that to you guys. And also, I got the boss. Same thing with her. I have wanted her ever since I saw her on Jay's channel. The big curly hair. I hope I got a good one. I tried to look for one with a good box. So we will see. I can't wait to open her and share her with you guys. I am so super duper excited for her. And drum roll for the biggest, coolest. I can't believe I actually got it. Look, I got Jukebox Barbie. Can you stand it? Oh my God, I love Elvis. If you guys don't know that, I love Elvis. And this is so adorably cute. I didn't think I ever had a chance to get this because it was so expensive, being $49.99. But something happened to where it was on sale randomly, weirdly, for $24.99, guys. I paid $24.99 for this beauty, and the box is beautiful. All of her stuff is beautiful. Her, let's see if I can, her lights work. Oh my God, I am so excited for this. I am going to take her out of the box and share her with you guys because I just can't stand it. I have to touch on her and see her and love on her, but I'm not going to do it in this video because I don't want it to be too long. So look forward to that, but I am going to move her, but I am so excited, you guys. Look, the little coin. I can't wait to make it play, insert token, like all these cute things on the back. It looks like a jukebox. I love diner things. If you guys don't know, I love the 50s and all of that. And I just am so excited and so happy that I got her because I didn't think that I would ever be able to because she was so expensive. And I just happened to find her for $24.99, and I can't tell you how happy that makes me. Yay! Now I'm gonna go and get in the bag and show you what I got. First, I have never seen these before. I only grabbed one because I wasn't quite sure. They were $3.99 at Walmart. The Totally Tinies, I don't know if you know, but I love those guys. I love the miniatures for the dolls. I did open it, but I wanted to like put it back together so you guys can see what they look like. And I of course picked this one because the little, I think these are supposed to be lunch boxes. This one was pink. You guys know I love pink. If you don't know I love pink, I think you've been putting my videos on mute or something because I love pink and I say it all the time. Sorry. But they have little food inside and I just think it's adorable. It also came with some slime, but I threw that out already because I'm just not interested in it. Here's the little guide and it says, which food will you get? And there's all these cute little things. You can get a funnel cake set, a cream puff set, omelet set, s'mores set, sushi set, milkshake set. I want that one so bad. Peanut butter set, crepe set, bagel set, ice cream set. I want that one because it looks like a banana split. Chips and soda set. I want that one also. And I do want the sushi one and the s'more set. I want most of them, to be honest. And I got the hummus set. It's so cute. It's weird, but it's cute. Let's see how close. I can get it to focus for you guys. There we go. There it is. It's adorable. I thought these were little hot dogs or something, but I don't really know what they are, but it's just so stinking cute. I love the miniatures, guys. You guys should know that by now. So there's that. And then I found these Barbie blind packs with the little strawberry and pineapple on the front. I have searched every time I go to Walmart to pick up groceries for these little 94-cent blind packs, and they never have them anymore. And I just happened upon a Walmart that I don't go to very often, and they had a whole bin. So I got 3 of this kind, and then I got 4 of this kind. And I'm gonna open these up in this video for you guys, so a little blind bag fun. I will say I did open one because I couldn't stand it. I didn't know when I was gonna be able to make a video, and I just had to see. And look, I am so excited. I got these shoes, guys. Oh, I love these shoes. They are so stinking adorable. And this necklace, look at this adorable necklace with the multicolors. Isn't it so cute? Oh my God, I love it. And here is the little guide. I'll show you that first before I start opening them so we can know what there is. It looks like there's like a lollipop kind of swirly purse. And this is the one I got with the shoes. And then there's another one with shoes, which I didn't know. And this one is a fanny pack. This one is like a little purse and an ice cream. And then of course, I always want the little shirts. So I'm hoping for at least one of the little shirts. So super cute. So what we're gonna do is just open these and see what we got, guys. Okay, since I started with these ones, I guess I'll just continue on with these ones. And, oh, if I can get it open. Hang on, I'm gonna get some scissors. Okay, went and got some scissors. Don't know why I didn't just start out with these. Let's see, what did we get? All right, it's not a double. Is that all that's supposed to be in there? Let's see. No, there's supposed to be, it looks like some sunglasses. Oh, I didn't get them. Well, that sucks, but I did get this cute little candy fanny pack, and it has like a little hole, so I guess you can stick stuff in it. That's kind of cute. I don't know, guys. That makes me sad I didn't get what I was supposed to get, though. Darn it. Next one. Let's see. What did we get? Aha! Well, this is cute, but again, I don't know if it... No, this is just supposed to be singular, so thank goodness. I was gonna say, if I got another one where I didn't get what I was supposed to, I'm gonna be upset. But this is so cute. It's a pink donut purse. Oh my goodness. Pink donut purse. Was this not made for me or what, guys? This is so adorable. I just wish it wasn't so, you know, squished in the packaging, so I'm gonna have to like let that relax and take a better shape, but so cute. Yay! Okay, last one of this style. Let's see what we got. What did we get? Yay! Something different. They were all different. I'm so excited. Look at these cute little pink sunglasses. I love this bag. Oh, it's so cute that it looks like candy or something. I love it. Yay! Now, onto these. I have no idea what to expect from this one. Let's just see. Cute sunglasses, like the style, and the pineapple bag being pink. Yay, so cute, guys. Oh, I love it. Let's see what is available here. Of course, you guys know I both want the shirts. It looks like there's a backpack, a little purse with some watermelon. Oh, this purse with the cherries. I want that one so bad. Oh, these are all so cute. I can't wait to see what else I got. Next, let's see. What do we get in this one? What is this? Very cute. Aww. With some little round sunglasses and a little purse. It's got a fuzz on it. That is so cute. Love it. Last one, guys. I didn't get a shirt yet, but I'm not complaining, not really. Let's see. What is this? Looks like an orange bag, which is super cute. I love that you can see all the segments and that it's painted. That is really cute. And a little triple cuff bracelet. So that's cute. I'm not mad at that. I did really want the shirts, but I could go back and try again. But I am very lucky that I did not get any doubles, guys. That is awesome. And I just picked it random, hoping that I wouldn't get doubles, and I didn't. So yay! Well, y'all, that's all for today. I just had to add in my beautiful Jukebox Barbie. So excited for her. So glad, yay. And Roller Chick. And the Boss. I'm so happy for these. I can't wait to do an opening and show you guys all my beautiful, lovely LOLs. I hope that they're not damaged on the inside, because I've seen some people where they get some with like messed up paint, but luckily, fingers crossed, I haven't had that happen yet, so yay. I hope you enjoyed all my little unboxing finds. I'm super happy with everything I got because I didn't get any doubles, and that is great. Even though for me, I'm not so like mad at doubles because I have a lot of dolls, and I'm a person who will customize, like, you know, change colors and do things so that they fit what I want them to. So I never get mad at doubles. So yay! I hope you enjoyed this video. And once again, always big, huge subscriber love to you guys. My numbers just keep going up, and I'm so glad that we're expanding our great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family. That's so fun. Yay! If you haven't subscribed yet, you should, because just look at all the fun we get up to. There is never a moment where there's not fun here. Just look at the lights, look at all the good stuff, look at all the OMGs. Love it, guys. And as always, everyone is welcome here. Take care of yourselves, y'all. Know I'm here doing Dolly silliness whether I'm posting or not. I do miss you guys when I don't post, just saying. And I hope, as always, that everything good in this life that can come to you will. I hope you have a Merry Christmas, a great holiday, whatever you celebrate. I hope it is filled with joy and love and happiness. That's all for today. More videos are coming soon, I promise, so keep on the lookout for those. Merry Christmas, y'all. Bye, y'all.